Little baby. Little baby. Well, I can help you. Oh no! She did it again. You like here?
Yeah, we come back to Dalia water park.
What you love about Aqua World?
Everything.
Everything. Is this your first time here?
No,
How many times you came before?
second.
Second time.
Yeah,
Wow.
because the first time we came here, and I never saw it, and now I remember.
And you feel more comfortable with the slides?
Yeah.
Which slide did we do? Was it Magic Eye or Black Mamba?
No, it was the white one.
Oh, wow. That's incredible. Yes! 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 Ciao. Mama.
Mama. Maybe more up is open.
More where?
Dada,
Yeah?
what is that black? What is that thing is black there?
It is the hole where the warm water comes out from.
Dada, I'm
See?
not afraid anymore with this in the deep water.
Yes.
The green python is nice, but they are flat.
Yeah.
Flat.
Yeah.
If you want to go and try some,
No, we will stay together today. I don't want to be running around doing this, doing that. Where the car?
Halloween!
Yeah. Cool. No. Another one. Oi. Dalia. Come on. Bueno. Siamo sulla spiaggia. Nella spiaggia. You like this? Look, Dalia. Look.
bello, mettiamo là, ci sono le onde che si sparano.
Hey, hello. Say hi.
Vai sudare, ti prende lui, ok?
over. Don't run. Put it on. Okay.
Dada, let's go.
Fine, fellow. Go to this, go to that. Go. Wait a minute. Look at me! Look!